So you're 27. Interesting. Well, for a 27-year-old, I feel like it's a very odd thing to say on someone's live. Very odd thing to say on someone's live, isn't it? Isn't it, Bryson? So, yeah, you guys are not engaging with me. I will definitely end this live. I feel like it's gonna be boring. I know, I usually come on live much earlier. I feel like the audience is a little different at night. We're gonna do mascara today though. Just because I feel like I was gonna put my false lashes on, but I'm feeling so lazy today. I'm feeling super lazy. Guys, so this is called, I got this from Amazon, Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. Look at that. Look at the difference between this and this. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And I also want to do the bottom, but I think I'm going to bake it. I'm going to put my, let's do the setting first. I am using Morph. Bryson, please, we're not going to do that we're not doing the inappropriate comments on my live. There is no room for inappropriate comments. We're not doing any of that. If you're going to be like that on my live, you can kindly get off because I'm not going to respond anymore. But if you're just joining, let me know where you're joining in from. I'm doing a get ready with me and we can chat about anything. So I'll put in the comments where you're coming from. Let's chat. This one is Banana Rich Morph. I don't use it often. How is my eye doing after the glue incident? Jetty, you remember? That almost turned into, you know. But my eye is much better. I was a little worried because I thought it was my contact at first, but it was literally my eye that was cloudy. But it's much better. I realized that the eyelash glue that I had on at the moment was still wet. So when I was flushing my eye, the eyelash glue just kept entering my eye. So I took a blow dryer, opened my eye, and let the eyelash glue dry. And then I flushed it again, and then my vision got back to normal. But that literally almost turned into a scary incident. Jetty, LOL. But I'm glad you remember. I literally put that live on private. I'm like, yeah, I'm not keeping this live on my page. It turned left. It turned left so quick. I'm like, oh no. But I thank God that my eye has restored. My vision has restored. Thank you for asking, Jetty. I'm going to do my bottom lash. I won't do it too much. But the life of a girl, I'm telling you. The life of a girl.